Hey guys, this is Jim, WT1W, and you're watching FEP Labs Radio. Thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. So today I have a short video. This is something I got the other day and I wanted to share with all y'all, yous guys, you guys, yins, depends on where you're from, I guess. This is a HOTO 24-in-1 screwdriver. Now slow down, don't click away, short video. This is an interesting tool and we're gonna take a look at it. It is not expensive. Right now on Amazon, it is $14, $14.99, something like that, regular $20. And if you buy a couple of them, there's like a 5% discount through the vendor on Amazon. I will have a link to it in the description below. And now let me do a little camera magic. Whoa, look at that, so fancy. This is it. Now, y'all know that I am a super huge fan of the Amazon electric screwdriver, which I've done a video on, and it runs about $25, give or take, and it's a great screwdriver. The problem with the Amazon screwdriver is it's a big screwdriver. It's a great one. It has enough torque to start a B-52 engine, but there's a lot of things that you can't use it for. Number one, if you're dealing with small screws, fasteners, whatever, the bit set that comes with it is made for regular standard size screws. You're not gonna fix your tool shed with this guy, and likewise, you're not gonna replace circuit boards easily with the Amazon screwdriver. So this guy comes in 3 colors, if you care: black, red, and blue, green, cyan. I don't know what that color is. It's probably got a real name. And the kit is pretty straightforward. Oops. There's an instruction manual, and if you need to read that to use this, you should probably not ever have power tools in your hands. And then here's the actual screwdriver. Now this thing is, it's not huge. And this is a 24-bit screwdriver set. Where are the bits? Where are the bits? Boom, there's the bits. And this thing has quite a selection of bits. First of all, every one of them is double-sided. So you have Phillips, you have flathead, you have Torx, you have hex, you have tri-lobe, and I think there's another one I can't remember off the top of my head, but you can see that that is quite a collection of bits. And none of these are big. As I said, you're not building your shed with this thing. You're not swapping out an engine with these bits. This is for precision work, electronics work. There's all the screw heads in there. That whole thing slides right in the case. This is an aluminum case. I don't know if the mic's picking that up. And I think a cool feature is this rotates freely, this end. So you can put your hand on it and give a little pressure as you need to when you're trying to screw or unscrew a fastener. So I think that is a cool feature. And I will have a link to this in the description below. I told you this was a short video. Y'all go check it out. Thank you for watching very much. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and ring the bell so you get notified whenever I post any new videos. Y'all have a great day. 73.